Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a landmark on Google Maps. A landmark in Google Maps is a significant location that can be added as a saved place, business, or custom pin. Adding landmarks helps navigate easily, provide directions, and mark important places like homes, offices, or attractions. And here's how you can add a landmark in Google Maps. The first step is to open Google Maps. You can visit the Google Maps website by going to maps.google.com, or you can use the Android or iOS app. Now here, after opening the website, the second step is to search for the location. Type name or address of the place you want to add as a landmark. For example, let's select London. Then OK. Now the third step is to add a missing place. And to do that, click on add missing place. It's available at the bottom of the research result. As you can see here, you can fill in details like name, address, and category, for example, park, business, monuments, etc. Let's see here if you can add it. You can add the landmark. You can save here as you can save it in your list for favorites, want to go, travel plans, or start places, and submit and Google review it before approval. The fourth step is to save as personal landmark, which is what I just did. If the place already exists, click on save and choose a list like favorites, want to go, or custom list. The fifth step is to mark a business or public landmark. If adding a business, go to Google Business Profile and submit it as an official location. And for the sixth step, check your landmark on the map. Once approved, it will appear in Google Maps searches and navigations. You can also use Google Maps by creating custom maps with landmarks and suggest an edit if an existing landmark is incorrect. You can report it, and you can also add photos or reviews, which helps improve visibility of public landmarks. And that's it for today's tutorial. Adding a landmark in Google Maps makes it easier to find and share important locations, whether for personal use, business listing, or historical places. Google Maps lets you save or organize your landmarks effortlessly. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.